that with the alphabet too. Right? Weren't you swaying with the alphabet? Keep going. Yeah, I want to see you dance. You want to dance? Dance with the ABCs? Do you want music? Two, T for two? No, I don't sing? Okay. Okay, you just dance. You were so goofy. Are you down walking now? Okay, goofball. Can I get a little shake and shimmy? If you turn towards me and shake and shimmy? Olivia, look at me and shake and shimmy. You shake and shimmy. Oh, I get a special head bob. Any more shaking? Shimmying? Wow.